In this video, we're going to show you how you can set up triggers for your different kinds of order statuses and reply with different kinds of flows depending on that specific order status. You can go inside of a flow and then go with add a new trigger, and then we will see all the different kinds of order status here, like order paid, ordered, processing, shipped, completed, cancelled, and refunded. Or you can go towards the automations tab, go towards triggers, go towards the top right new trigger, and from here you can just go with any of the order statuses as well. If we go back towards the example flow, we have redirected all kinds of order statuses back towards one specific flow, and based on conditions we are then sending them to different kinds of follow-up messages. Let's go towards a flow where we can just start an order. So let's go towards the e-commerce ordering. Let's preview this flow and let's order something. Let's enlarge this a little bit. And let's order this video graphics card. Let's say checkout. Let's give it a name. Let's say place order. And now that we have placed the order, we also have our first order update status. Thank you for your order. We will update you soon as we have started packing. If we are going to take a look at the e-commerce tab, where we receive all the orders from customers, you will see that we now have a new order coming in. We can check the item, which is the video graphics card with 650 euros. And if we're going to take a look at the order status, we will see the status ordered. If we set up the triggers correctly and going towards processing, then we should receive a status update. So let's press save. And now, as you can see, we are processing your order right now and we'll send you an update soon as the package is ready to be shipped. If we're going to update the order again from processing to shipped, then we should receive another update. Let's take a look. And here we have it. The package has been prepared and shipped. You can track it using the button below. If we're going with the other statuses like completed, let's say save. As you can see, we can confirm the order has been delivered. We thank you for placing your trust in us and look forward to serving you again in the future. Let's go with the next one, which will be cancelled. Let's go with save. And as you can see, we are very sorry to hear that you're not satisfied with the order, and as such we have cancelled it for you. Let's go with the last one, which will be refunded. We wanted to inform you we processed your refund and it should arrive back at your account within 5 to 10 working days. So this is the way that you can automate the different kinds of order statuses and the follow-up messages belonging to them.